Good morning, it's 8 o'clock. This is Mornings on the Dove, and you can get our new iPhone, iPad, and Android app available for free in the App Store and on Google Play. The Dove is also available on Roku as well. Now, looking at our news headlines this morning, officials say about 150,000 Oregonians enrolled in individual health care plans will see their plans canceled by the end of the year because the plans don't provide the minimum level of coverage required under the new health care law. State Insurance Division spokeswoman Cheryl Martini said Wednesday that those facing cancellations could see a break in coverage if they don't enroll in a new plan on the state's problem-plagued online exchange by December 15th. But a month in, the state has not enrolled a single person. It has received just over 4,200 paper applications, and its website still can't tell people what subsidies they are eligible for. A spokeswoman for the Department of Health and Human Services says people who use the Healthcare.gov website to register for health insurance exchanges can be confident their information is protected by stringent security standards. Concerns about security on the website are reflected in a government memo showing that administration officials were concerned that a lack of testing posed a potentially high security risk. It was granted a temporary security certificate so it could operate. Meanwhile, in a House hearing, HHS Secretary Kathleen Sebelius says she's the one responsible.
I am as frustrated and angry as anyone with the flawed launch of Healthcare.gov. So let me say directly to these Americans, you deserve better. I apologize. I'm accountable to you for fixing these problems.
Sebelius did not indicate she would be stepping down from the job after the 3-year rollout of Obamacare, but rather said the situation is improving every day. Emergency personnel in helicopters and boats have rescued people stranded in vehicles and stuck in trees during storm-related flooding in central Texas. There are no reports of injuries. Flash flood warnings have been posted in 10 counties. Dozens of people reported seeing a fireball flash across northwest skies about 6 a.m. Wednesday, moving east to west. Robert Lunsford of the American Meteor Society says it had 165 reports from sky watchers in the Northwest and in Canada. Mostly clear skies made it more visible at a time when people were heading to work or school. Dick Pugh of Portland State University says it apparently was a small piece of an asteroid burning up in the atmosphere. And a deal Jackson County Commissioner John Racher has made with the Medford Airport will provide the airport with 2 acres of free land, while Racher gets about 13 years of free rent to keep his plane there. Terms of the deal were negotiated by third parties on the Table Rock Road parcel, and it had a value of $534,000. Now look at our local weather throughout the Dove viewing and listening area. Medford Grants Pass today partly cloudy and 65. Pretty much the same tomorrow, and by Saturday and Sunday a chance of rain with highs in the low 50s. Looking to Klamath Falls, partly cloudy and 62, and by the weekend rain on tap with daytime highs in the mid to upper 40s. Looking to Brookings today, partly cloudy and 62. Tomorrow sunny and 60 degrees and rain on tap for the weekend with daytime highs in the mid-50s. Klamath Falls today 62 under partly cloudy skies. Rain by the weekend as well. And Port Orford today we'll see 57 degrees under partly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, partly cloudy and 64. Rain by Saturday and a high of 51. Overnight lows in the upper 20s. Now you are up to date with that look at our news and weather right here on the Dove.